Well, welcome to our 101 Poetry Prompts book. Today's prompt is roller coaster. A roller coaster ride. We're going to go all the way back to 1958 for this story. We were living in Colorado Springs, and my dad would take us, the whole family, to the bowling league on Thursday, and he'd give us kids 40 cents a piece. And there was in the summertime, there was an amusement park across the street, and had rides and candy and soda and all that stuff. And that's what this story's about. Here we go. Roller coaster ride. Between Colorado Springs and Denver, Dad worked there at the time. It was called the Black Forest, a scruffy western pine. On Thursday, he would load us up and for the bowling league games. At the lanes, we each got 40 cents. Henri, Donna, and Robert were our names. In the summer, it was easy, because in a park across the street was a summer-long carnival that was open week to week. Now 40 cents is little now, and it wasn't much back then, but for candy, rides, and soda, the price was always 10. Except for the biggest ride, which made the others look crummy. It was the Flying Demon roller coaster, and it would take all of your money. While I was soaring through the air that night, the 40 cents seemed worth it. But then I saw my brother and sister with a cinnamon swirl biscuit. The biscuit they called an elephant ear. I had played my money wrong. And I must admit that I was glad when those elephant ears were gone. Okay, that's our prompt for today, prompt number 22. And tomorrow's prompt is Last Day on Earth. Hope to see you then. Thanks for playing along.